Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make iced oolong tea. We'll cover everything from selecting your tea to the final refreshing pour. This guide will help you create a delicious, cool drink with just a few simple ingredients and about 15 minutes of active preparation time. Get ready to enjoy a wonderful, homemade iced oolong tea. First, let's brew the tea. For every 8 ounces of water, use 1 teaspoon of oolong leaves. Heat your water to a temperature between 185 and 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Pour the hot water over the leaves and let it steep for 2 to 3 minutes. This short steeping time prevents bitterness and ensures a smooth taste. Once steeped, strain the hot tea into a heat-proof pitcher or glass, separating the leaves. If you like your tea sweet, now is the perfect time to add your sweetener, like 2 teaspoons of sugar or honey, while the tea is still warm. Stir until dissolved. Let the tea cool down to room temperature before placing it in the refrigerator to chill for at least 1 hour. Finally, it's time to serve your delicious iced oolong tea. Fill a tall glass with plenty of ice cubes to ensure your drink is perfectly chilled. Pour the cooled oolong tea over the ice. For an extra touch, you can garnish your glass with a fresh lemon slice or a sprig of mint. Enjoy your refreshing, homemade iced oolong tea.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.